Hello everyone. So I have so many bracelets and I thought I need a bracelet holder, so I decided to make one. I took a shoe box and I'm cutting the edges because this box is way too high. But if you have a shoe box that has lids, it's gonna be better. Then you can skip all this work and just use the lid. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe it and hit the like button if you find this video useful. So after cutting all the edges, it will look something like this. So I just left one edge, but I will cut this at end as well. So now I'm using the glue, but if you are using the lid, you just can skip all this part. Once everything is done, we're gonna cover everything with black paper. Just mark the edges of the box with the pen and then make a line using a ruler. It will be easy for you to cut it. Just like I said, I'm gonna cut the last edge as well. So I'm cutting that, and look at this, it just looked like a shoebox lid. So you didn't even have to do all this work if you already have that. Now all you need to do is cover it with the black paper. Once the box is covered with black paper, then I'm gonna cut two triangles, and then I will join these triangles on right and left side of the box. Just make sure the triangles are of same height, otherwise your bracelet holder will not look symmetrical. You need a round item, so you can use anything that you have available at home that is round, because you're gonna cut the circles. I ended up redrawing the circles because the circles that I drew were way too low. Just repeat the same step on other triangle as well, so that they end up looking same. Since we covered the box with black paper, we cannot leave this as is. So I'm gonna cover this as well with the black paper from both the sides. Now that it's ready, I'm gonna join this on the right and left side of the box. The top of this triangle doesn't look stable, so I'm gonna cut this and it doesn't even look nice. Now it's almost done. The last thing that's left is paper rolls. I need 2 paper rolls on which I'm gonna put the bracelets. If you have a paper towel at home, the leftover cardboard roll at the end, you can even use that. You can just paint it, but I'm gonna make it with the black paper so that I don't have to do all the extra work with paint. So cut the paper and measure it to see if it fits the bracelet holder. Once you're satisfied with the measurements, use the glue to paste the both ends of the roll. So if you're using just glue, it's gonna be hard to make it stay on one place. So what I'm doing is I'm using the tape on the inner corners of the circles so that it holds its place, and then I'm gonna use the glue. So you can leave the tape as is because it's not going to show it's on the inner side. I'm also using tape at the top to make it stay, but I'm going to take it off once it's dry and holds its place. And we are all done, so we can just place it just like that on the bracelet holder. I was gonna cut the extra space in the front, but then I ended up using it to put my makeup. Look at that, it's so pretty and it was so easy to make.